Guys, Mikhail Bennett here. So one of the biggest reasons why you need to be focusing on building your business credit, right? Is because it doesn't report to your personal credit. So like with personal credit, they tell you to keep your utilization to under 30%, right? So that it doesn't affect your credit score. Well, guess what? Business credit, you can max it out, right? And it won't affect your personal credit score because it doesn't report on your personal credit report. And a lot of business credit cards offer 0% APR for anywhere between 6 to 18 months, right? So that means if you want to run a play like a real estate play, you want to invest into something, invest into yourself, whatever it is, you're going to have ample enough time to be able to recoup your funds and pay your credit card back before any interest hits, right? So your utilization won't be hurting you, and you can max it out. So your utilization won't be hurting you, nor will interest be hurting you, right? So you can max it out, run the play, and get it right back. And guess what? With business credit, you can open up another LLC and go get the same business funding from the same bank. So it's very important that you start focusing on building your business credit, so that you can start investing into yourself and doing the things that you really, really want to do. One of the fastest ways to do that is by fixing up your personal credit. You can personally guarantee by leveraging your personal credit to obtain business credit. So that's the beauty of it. You got to really start tapping into the beauty of it. If you want to learn exactly how to start tapping into all of this, business credit, personal credit, building big businesses and networks, then you want to make sure you're going to be in our upcoming mentorship. I can't stress enough, right? Make sure you're in the mentorship. I'm not sure. Maybe the sale is over already, right? Maybe the sale is over. I'm not sure. Whatever it is, you want to make sure you get your behind in this mentorship. Like I promise you, we're going to be changing a lot of people's lives. A lot of people have been looking forward to this, and we're just super excited that we're finally going to be dropping this and pouring all of the value that we've obtained over the years into you. So I'll see you in the mentorship. Click the link in my bio and get your spot. If you want to learn how to fix your credit yourself, go to youcanfixyourcredit.com and don't forget to like and save this video.